Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to build a church website, how to build a functional church website with sermon uploaded, pictures and gallery. You can even make donations on this particular website I'm about to show to you. All right, like as you can see, this is the interface. You can see the front end. Okay, you can see that. All right, you can have maybe you have events coming up, Mother's Day, anniversary, church convention. You can have all of those things integrated here. That's for the what upcoming event. All right, you also have the donation part. You can see, all right, you can see where to find us and make a donation. You can also see that. All right, you can see where you can upload your ministers, different pastors who are there. You can add them and their social media handles. You can also have that. Okay, you can see that. Right? If you also want to integrate blog whereby you are posting things relating to your various church activities, you can see that, say Baptism Sunday of Church, and you can see all of those things there. All right, then this is the footer. All right, now moving away from here, you can see the about us, right? You can see the donation, event details, sermon, you can see gallery, you can see news, you can see contact us. All right, if you click on the contact us, you'll see all the information there too. All right, you can put your email, the phone number, and also have a form, all right, whereby they can drop their message. If there's anything they want to drop on the message part, you can also have them here. All right, now look at the sermon. Right now, let me show you the sermon. You can see the sermon, right? And you can see this different where they can listen to it. All right, this is the where they can watch the video, the audio. All right, if it is a text, they can also do that. Right? You can also read the text. Okay, all of these are function you can enjoy on this particular website. Okay, but then all these things I've shown to you, I will be showing you how to design them step by step. All right, how you can do this particular functionality step by step. You can see all the message keep moving on in our faith. All right, the message, you can see all of these different messages by different persons. All right, all these things are things you can do on this particular website. Okay, so before we begin, if you are coming across our channel for the first time, all right, we do amazing content ranging from how to design all kinds of websites. We have them on our YouTube channel. All you need to do is to make sure you subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, and make sure you drop your comment if you're having any challenge regarding this video. All right, so and if you also stay with us to the end, I will show you how you can get access to this particular amazing template to use for your clients and other things. Okay, so having said that, let's begin this particular video. First, you need to have your own cPanel. All right, so have your own cPanel, and if you're also having challenge in getting a reliable web hosting company, reach out to us via the number showing in the description of this video, and we'll give you a reliable web hosting to use for your project. Okay, now having said that, let's move ahead to this particular video. Now for this particular one, I'll be using a subdomain for this particular video. Right, I'll be using a subdomain, but for you who will be doing it for your client, buy your domain and also make sure you follow the same process from the beginning to the end. All right, the same process, just follow me while we do this together. All right, so I'll go back to my domain. I'll just create a subdomain. All right, come over to this place, click on subdomain. All right, I'll just click on domain, so I'll just create a subdomain. All right, so I'll come to domains, then click on create a new domain. So I'll just call this one, just call it temple. Let me just do that. All right, so let me just do this. All right, so just do that. Dot, all right, dot online. All right, this is for this particular training. Okay, for this particular training. Then once I'm done, click on submit. Okay, click on submit. So once I'm done with that, then next I need to do is to change my PHP version to 7.4. All right, come over to this part, click on multi PHP manager. I will set it to 7.4. All right, so just click on it. All right, then I'll just come down here. Here is my subdomain I just created. You can show it's showing 7.4 inherited. So I'll just come select that part, then come to this part and set to 7.4. Then apply. All right, just apply. Once you are done with that, okay, so just wait a little. All right, as you can see, it has been changed to 7.4. All right, next is go back to your cPanel. All right, go back to your cPanel, then scroll down to where you have WordPress. Okay, you can see WordPress here. Click on it. All right, so once you are done, Remember, I created a subdomain and called it tempo. So I'll just come here, select tempo. You can see tempo here. This is tempo. Then make sure this part is empty. Okay, remove it. This directory, make sure it's empty. Then come there, put your username and password. All right. The reason for this is for you to log into your WordPress directly without having any issues. So just do that and scroll down to where you have install. Okay, scroll to where you have install. So this is it. Just give it a little minute so that you just install so you can begin. Good. As you can see, it has been installed. All right. So these are the two links. The first link you are seeing is the front end. All right. While the second link is the back end, which is called the dashboard. All right. So good. Once you are done with this, you can see the two sides. All right. So the next thing for us to do is to import the template we are going to be using for this video. But then before we do that, come to plugins, click on add new plugin. There is a particular plugin we need to install, which is called Classic Editor. It's very, very important. Then make sure you install this. Install this. Then once you are done installing, then activate. Good. We are done with that. Then the next thing for us to use the template, click on Appearance, click on Themes. All right, good. Then click on Add New Theme. All right, click on Add New Theme. Good. Then click on Upload Theme. Then click on Choose File. All right, click on Choose File. All right, once you are done with that, have this file there. All right, select that, then open. All right, this is the file. Then I will install. Okay, just wait a little so the installation can be done. All right. All right, as you can see, it has been installed. All right, so what we do now, you activate, click on activate. Good, it has been activated. You can see that. Then click on begin installing plugins. You can see that here. Click on this. All right, then select all these plugins. Just click on this. All the item will be selected. Then click on bulk action, click on install, then click on apply. You can see it's very, very easy. All right, so once this is done, we activate. All right, good. You can see that. You can see, good. So all the plugins have been installed. The next thing we'll do is to what? Activate. Click on return this. Then select this particular plugins. You can see that. So the first one we did was to install. Now we are activating. So once we click on this again, select bulk action, then click on activate, then click on apply. All right, very, very easy, very, very easy. So once you are done with this, we'll go over to importing the template. All right, you can see it has been installed and activated. So just click on this to return to dashboard, or click on this dashboard here, either of the two. So I'll just click on this. All right, so I've done that. It's asking me to set up this wizard. So I'll just remove this. Let me just go back. All right, so just do that and go back. So, all right, so just click on that. Good. So Elementor, so the same thing, just do this and go back. Good. So now we are at the dashboard. So once you are here, just come to where you have appearance. You can see appearance here. Then come to import demo data. All right, click on import demo data. All right, good. You can see that. Then come to import demo data again. You can see it here. After you click on the first one, you come here, click on it again. All right, good. Then click on continue and import. All right, good. So you can see it's importing. Just give it a little time. So once it's done, we can now begin customizing our website. All right, as you can see, the import is complete, but there are some errors. Okay, there are some errors, but don't worry, I will show you how you can fix that. Now let's open the website in the new tab. Once you do that, this is the website. You can see there's nothing to show here. Okay, this is showing you the nothing to show here, but then every other thing is intact. So I will show you how you can fix that. Okay, so to do that, just come to your dashboard again, come to slider revolution. You can see it here. Then click on overview. All right, so once you do that, you click on, all right, I'll just click on no thanks. Then let me close this. All right, click on no thanks. Good. So once you are done with that, just scroll down a bit. You see where it says manual import. All right, click on it. Then click on choose file. All right, once you click on choose file, go back to your files here. I told you before, once you wait to the end, I will show you can get access to this. All right, then click on this slideshow data. Open it, you will see home. All right, good. Then just open. Right, you can see it's importing. So this is the final part of the importation. All right, so just wait. Can you see that now? Now let's reload this our website. can see. So once you reload, everything come back to normal, right? You can see everything come back to normal. You can see it now. So this is it. So what we are going to do next is to fix our header. All right, fix our header. It's very, very easy. I'll show you how you can fix this header, this menu you are seeing here. Should do that. So to do that, let's go back to our dashboard. All right, good. So let's go back, come to the dashboard. All right, you will see builder. All right, you will see builder header footer. Can you see this part here? Builder header footer. Then click on this all HF means header and footer. Just open it in a new tab so you can see what we have there. All right, so you can see every item. You can see every item. Now this is the footer. Right, good. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This part you are seeing here, okay, where you have this Chomsy home, pages, event. This is the header. Why, if you scroll down, you will see this part. This is the footer. This is the footer where you have this menu item, this copyright, this social media icon, this donate, and every other thing you are seeing here. Okay, so all these things are what we're going to be customizing in this particular website. So first of all, once you come over to this part now, look at the header. You can see header one. So let's view it. Open it in a new tab to see what we have there. Right, you can see the reason why we're having this item like this is because the background is white. Okay, so for you to actually use it very well, just come to edit with Elementor. All right, edit Elementor. If you come to edit Elementor, all right, you see this here. You can see it's still loading. Just wait a little. All right, so good. So just keep this. Now this is the background here. So just click on this icon. And mind you, if you are not familiar with Elementor, you cannot actually use it very well. But then it's not difficult. Not difficult. So just do that. It's a drag and drop template. So just come over to this. I want to change this background color so it will fit in very well. All right, just click on this. Let me just select red. All right, can you see it now? Can you see this? So got it. So I'll close this. Now you can see that this part is big. So let me just drag it a little. Can you see this now? Can you see it as fitting? Can also this side are also fitting. Good. Now as you come here, if you want to change this logo, you can see if you want to change logo, click on it. You can see it here. You can upload your logo. All right, you can upload your logo from this part. Remember, I came here from this builder header. Click on all builder. I'm in this header one. All right, I'm in this header one. Now, if you look at this website, it has different header. It has header one, header two, header three. That's home one, home two, home three. If you come here, you will see it here. Home one, header one, header two, header three. The same thing with footer. You can see footer one and footer. All right, so you have every other thing there. But then our major concern is the header one. That's what I'm showing you here, header one. Then you have every other one. You can explore it. You can explore every other thing you want to explore. Then if you also come here, you will see view footer one. If you also view it, you can see how it appears. This is the footer one, and this is the same footer we are having here. You can see that. You can see this part here. Okay. So which means if I want to edit this part, I will have to come to builder header footer, then select footer one, then open it in a new tab like this, then click on edit with Elementor. Very, very easy, very, very easy. Okay, so now that I'm done with this, remember I'm working with this part now, so this is how it appears. If I publish this now, all right, if I publish, remember this was how we're having it before. All right, let me show you. Remember this how it was showing before. Now let's refresh this. If you refresh, you can see that it has changed. I can see it has changed. Good. If I also come here again, and I click on this, all right, I click on this and I want to be, all right, I want to do an adjustment to that. All right, let me look at the global or sub menu. Is there anything sub menu there? All right, okay, good. All right, so I want to do an adjustment to that. Okay, let me look at the typography. Is there anything? Okay, good. So since there's nothing there, so just save. If you don't want this search button, you can remove it. If you also don't want this other icon showing below, you can as well remove it. All right. So that is how it appears there. Then if you want to change the logo, you can change the logo here. So that is for this. Okay. Now remember, This is just for to edit the header. If you want to work on the menu, it's a different thing entirely. All right, it's a different thing. I will also show you that. Okay, that is for the header. Now coming down to the footer, you can see the footer. All right, let me close this. All right, good, got it. So if you want to change this right up, you can see that if you click on the right up, it's showing here. You can edit the right up. All right, but then since you are working on this type of project, it's not that difficult. If you are looking for a template to use or a write-up to use, thank God we are in the era of AI. AI will help you generate as amazing content to use for your website. All right. So if I come to ChatGPT, for example, right here is ChatGPT, and I say generate, all right, I say generate, all right, footer content for a, sorry, for a church website, all right, for a church website. All right, now look at what we are going to get. Right, so you can see that. Can you see this? Can you see all of this? Can you see all of this now? Good. I can just pause it there. Then I can copy this. You can see where it says we are dedicated to spreading the love of Christ and serving community with compassion and grace. Join us as we grow in faith together. I love this. So I will just copy this, for example. Now I'll copy this now. Right. Then I'll go back to my website. This is it. I'll paste it here. Right. Can you see this now? So once I do this, I can now work on adjusting this particular template, the write-up. You can see that I come to typography. All right, it's 40. I don't want that. Can you see that? Edit that. Then also is in uppercase. I don't want uppercase. I can say capitalize each letter. You can see that. All right, so it's just little editing. Are you getting me? Then come back here. You can see this one that is saying this one here now. You can see the phone number. All right, you can see the phone number. I can change this phone number now. All right, let's say I have it there. Okay, okay. Can you see that? Then if you also come back to this part, you can see that there, come here, email, put your own church email. All right, you can see everything is working perfectly. All right, then put, I can say .com, or better still if it's .org, you can do that there, .org. And you can see it's also showing capital letter. If you don't want it to be showing capital letter, all right, let me copy this, paste it here too. All right, if you don't want to be showing the capital letter, come back to style. All right, then if you come to info, all right, see typography there, then showing uppercase, change it to capitalize, you can see that, or just change it to what, lowercase, you can see it like this. Remember to save. Then this other part, this is your social media icon, click on it. You can see all your social media icon there. All right, where you know you have your social media link, your Facebook, you can put your, if you look at it now, this is your Facebook, paste your link there. Then you can see your, sorry, you can see your Twitter, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your YouTube. All right, click on it. So just copy your YouTube link and paste it here. All right, then automatically once they click on this YouTube icon, it takes them straight to your YouTube channel. And don't forget to always save as you are working. All right, I will show you can work on this part. Then this other part is your copyright. Click on it too. You can see that. So I can just come here and say reserved. You can see that. I see that. All right, reserve, sorry, church websites. All right, okay. So once I do this now, I can come back here. I can adjust this if you want it to be like this. Very easy. And as well, if you want to also have it as a single part, just click on this. All right, good. Okay, so let me close this. If I want to just have it as a single content, all right, I can just come here, click on this plus sign, right? Then come to text. All right, sorry, I can just have it here. All right, so have it. Okay, I can just have it here like this. All right, good, good. Can you see that? So I will just have it here. Click on this plus. All right, drag it. Can you see it now? I can just have it here like this. Then I'll put a background color to be black. Background color to be black. Right? It's very, very easy. It's something that you can easily work with. Okay, so I'll come here, put the background color to be black. Can you see that now? Then change my right up. Alright, change my right up to this. Okay, so it's something that you have to customize to suit what you want. Alright, I'll come here, remove this, paste it. Right, then I'll centralize it. Can you see that now? Centralize either of these two, whether you want it like this or you want it like this. This choice is yours. Okay, so once you are done, remember to always save. I can just remove this, then leave this one like this, then change the color to white. Alright, you can see that, then I save changes. Alright, it's very, very easy, very, very easy. Alright, this is how to edit the footer. Remember, I only worked on this footer. You can see the other one, you can as well do that. Alright, if you also look at it, you can view it. Alright, let me view. You can see that this is the second footer. Alright, if this is what you like, alright, if what you like, you can work on this. I think to some extent this one is cool. Alright, this one is cool, but it's a matter of choice. Okay, so you can work with this or you can work on the other one I showed you earlier on. Okay, so you do that, just edit it. If I also want to edit now, just click on edit elementor and I will be able to edit this one too. It's very, very easy. Okay, now I've showed you how to edit the header and the footer. Now let's go to the menu. Alright, let's go to the menu. Come to appearance. Alright, come to appearance and come to menu. You can see that here. Appearance menu. Alright, so once you come to appearance and menu, you can see, right, depending on what you want. Now look at this part. Right, look at this part. You can see home, about. Right, so this is what we are talking about now. You can see this, you can see this, you can see this. Alright, now if you come here, the menu, you have the different menu. You can see the menu, other pages, primary menu. Primary menu is the menu that is showing here. Alright, the one that you are seeing here. So you can select that and edit. You can see that. Select. Okay, good. Can you see all the items there? But then I don't need everything. Alright, I don't need everything. So I'll just remove some parts and leave some parts. Okay, so I'll just use this bulk select. Alright, but then I can as well decide to delete everything. Alright, delete everything I have here and create a new menu. Alright, so it's the whole thing depends on how you want it to be. Okay, it all depends on how you want it to be. Alright, so I can as well do that. Okay, so let me just do that. Let me just do that. So I'll just click on this and click on delete. Click on OK. Alright, good. So I'll create a new menu. Alright, let's call it main menu. Alright, good. Then I'll just click on create menu. Okay, good. Then select the location to be primary menu. Alright, then I will now select the item I want to be there. Good. Click on this view all. The first one is the home. I want the about us. I want contact us. Alright. I also want gallery. I also want pastor theme. Okay, what else again do I need? Right, is there option? Okay, there's salmon there. Supposed to have salmon, but if it's not there, let me add all these ones first. Okay, good. I have this. Now, if you come down, you will see donation form. Donation to children, this, donation to church building. If you want to create this one, I can see donation for our church building. I can add this. All right, click on it. Okay, good. So if you want to include salmon, is it there? So I can also include salmon. I will show you that how to include salmon. You can see salmon here, right? I can as well include salmon. Good. So I'll just come here. I can rename this one, right? I can just rename it to what, donation. All right. Or better still, instead of just donation, I can say partner with us. All right. You can see that partner with us. Oh, sorry, partner with us. Okay, good. Then I'll click on save. All right, good. So now let's visit our site. Click on this. All right. Okay. So this is what we have. All right. Now let me adjust this. Let me adjust this. Good. So let me come to other menu, select. All right. So I can delete this. Most of the time when you are working, it's better to delete all the menu that that is there, so you can have a sweet flow. All right, so you can have a sweet flow. I'll just delete this also. All right, so let me delete this. Good. All right, so I think this is the okay. I still have one more. All right, good. So I'll just delete this. Okay, good. I think that's all. So let's save again. Then let's reload this. All right, so we're still having this error. So since this error is still showing here, let's come back to our site. Okay, let's come back to our header. Remember, this is our header. Okay, so let's refresh this. All right, it's very easy. So when you're having this, come back to your builder, then just edit the header. Remember, it was primary menu. I changed to main menu, so that's the reason why that error is coming in. So just need to work on it. So you can see the same thing showing here. So click on it. Now there's no menu. I'll select main menu. All right, so once I do that now, it will change, save. All right, then come back here, refresh. So you can see it has taken a new shape. That is how to work on that. You can see that pastor team gallery partner with us. All right, see the contact us here. Okay, good. Now that we are done with this, all right. So for us to, before we go to editing the main website, now let me show you how to add salmon. All right, if you come back to your dashboard again, this is the dashboard, you will see salmon. Salmon talks about the different preaching. Okay, now let's look at all salmon. Now look at, these are all messages that have been preached. You are not the boss of me. Okay, your first step to happiness. These are different messages. All right, different messages. Okay, now look at the listening, the faith of the heart, reading the God's word at this. You can see that. Now, if you also come here, you can see add new sermon. You can see categories. You can see sermon by. That means different pastors are preaching different messages. Sermon by Pastor A, sermon by Pastor B. All right, you can have it like that. Now look at the categories. Let's look at the categories too. If you come to categories, you can create different categories. God praying. The sermon can be faith, happiness, joy, deliverance, healing. Those are different categories. You can as well create that. Okay, can also create category on God's word, blessings, prosperity. These are different categories you can create. All right. Then if you come to sermon by, all right, you can as well have it. Different pastors are preaching different pastors. Okay, that's what we mean by sermon by this, sermon by that, sermon by this. So you can as well have their pastor's name here. All right. Sermon can be based on pastor's name, can be based on category, depending on what you want. Is that clear? So you can have it like that. So now that you are done with that, now let's go. All right, you can see this now. Okay, let me just add one. Let me just add one. Pastor Jude. All right, good. Sorry, let me just do this. Pastor Jude. All right, let me just put it there. Then add. All right, so you can see that has been added. Then let's look at category. Category can be, all right, that's okay. You can see that. Good. Now let's go ahead and add a. You can see we have God's word, God's praying, we have faith. Now look at all sermons. All right, now look at, let's edit one of the sermons. Good. You can see that. All right, you can see the write up here. All right, good. You can see the date. You can see if it's audio, if it's video, sorry, if it's audio, yeah, video, you can add it there. If it's audio, you can add it here. If it is a document whereby they can read, you can add it here. All right. So now let me add one so you can see that. Though I might not have a full sermon to do that. So let me just show you how it works. So you add the sermon title. All right. You can say how to, all right, how to build your faith. All right, how to build your faith. All right, that is the title. Okay, that is the title. Then I'll select the category of sermon to be what? Faith. All right. Then the date, today's date. All right. If it's someone that you want to preach next year or next week, you can as well categorize it like that. All right. I can do that. Today's date. If it's audio, I will select the audio. All right. Select the audio and upload it there. Okay. Then if it is video, you can add video. If it's audio, you can add audio. If it is a document, all right, a text document like a PDF, Microsoft Word, you can add it there too. All right, you can see where it says select. Okay, if I come back or like this one, if I say select, click on select like this, you can as well I have it there. All right, you can as well have it like that. Now, like I showed you before, once you are done, if you have a picture, all right, that will be appearing on the front end. All right, let me just look for one particular picture and do that. Okay, so just select. I don't think I have anyone, so let me just ignore that. Okay, that you attach a picture there. All right, good. So if you want them to comment, you can allow comment. If you don't want comment, you just turn this off. All right, so once you are done, you click on publish. All right, click on publish. All right, let me use one of those one that has already been published. Let me just show you so you can see what we have now. This is how to build your feed like I showed you before. Now this is it. Let's edit this. Good, good. Now look at it. The write-up is here. Jesus is whole. Okay, powerful prayer of the Bible. So you can see that. All right, so you can see all of that. Now imagine I don't have a content. All right, I can as well copy this now. Go to my ChatGPT and generate amazing content for that too. Like I told you, I can say write a post content on this. All right, it will also give me content. Can you see that? Can you see this? All right, you can see this now. It's very, very good. All right, let me. All right, so this is for the contact information. When you are doing this, make sure you put a reliable email. All right, a reliable email whereby they can get access to you. They want to contact you. All right, you can see email address, admin, and every other thing there. All right, now that you are done with this donation part, it is very, very important that you do these settings very well so that when they are making payment, you will be getting notification. All right, so having done this, now let's go to the main website. For us to do that, come to your website, then click on visit website. Once you open it in a new tab, all right, open it in a new tab, then click on edit with Elementor. You can see it up there, edit with Elementor, which is this. All right, so once you do that, it will bring you to this part. You can see that, but then you cannot edit this image and this right up here. I will show you where you can edit that. You can see every other thing. You can edit all this other part. Now if you have an event coming up, now let's click on this. You can see Mother Day Church. All right, this is an event coming up. I will show you. You can also add that. You can add other events. You can see this. You can change these pictures. You can put this one, and like you can see, if you click on it, you can change these pictures. You can change all this right up. I told you before that you can add different events. Now in churches, we have anniversary day, Thanksgiving Sunday, end of the month Thanksgiving, baby dedication, women convention, men convention. If you have all of those things, those are events that is happening in various churches. You can have that insert in your website. Okay, so for you to do that, if you come to your dashboard, all right, if you come to your dashboard, you can see events, right? You can see events, you can see all events. Alright, you can see all events, you can see different events here. So you can create your own event. There's also category for that, there's also settings. Alright, you can see settings. Let's check the settings first. Alright, so the settings is just okay, this is just minor settings and all of that. Now let's go to event. You can see all event. Now let's say I want to add a new event. I can come here, click on event. Okay, good. I can say end of the month Thanksgiving. All right, you can see that end of the month Thanksgiving. All right, when is it happening? All right, look at the you put the date there. All right, when is the end of the month Thanksgiving? Tomorrow. All right, time. When is it? What time is it taking place? All right, 6 a.m. in the morning or 7 a.m. End date, still the same date. What time is it ending? It will end by, let's say, 12. Can you see that? Look at the date. All right, look at you put the address of the place. If it's something that will warrant price, you attach a price, but if it's not a type price, just ignore that. Okay, right, then you just do other minor settings, then you put a picture, end of the month Thanksgiving. All right, look at location, look at contact information if they want to reach you. All right, because when people are coming to coming for an event, they will have a number they will call. So put the name of the church here, the phone number, the email address, and the website. All right, if they want to reach out to you. Okay, that is just what you need to do when you are preparing for an event. All right, let's say you're having maybe a program next year, January, February, and the rest of them. You can add various events on your website. So once you do that, it will be having this countdown. Right, there's this countdown here. All right, this is when the countdown will start working, showing you that how many days left, how many hours left, how many minutes, and the rest of them. Okay, Very, very important. You can see where it says join event. All right. So once you are done with all of these things here, you can as well see that there are other messages that you can attach. Okay. You can see these are various events. Okay. So you can edit all this now. I told you before that you can use ChatGPT to get your content. All right. All these things you are seeing, they are all demo content. All right. So you can see these ones too. Now, these are what we call church theme. All right, pastors in various churches. Remember, the reason why we are looking at it like this is because this is a Catholic demo. All right, if you want a Pentecostal, you can also put it like that. You can see the various pastors, put their name, put their social media handles. All right, you have that. Then you have this write up and what have you. Remember, this is a blog. All right, if you want to work on the blog side to come to your website, you will see the come to your dashboard, you will see the post. All right. If you come to post now, let me show you. If you come to post, you will see all the content. You can see this now. Baptism Sunday of churches. Now, let me show you. You can see that the Baptism Sunday of church. All right. You can see it here. So, which means any post, if I want to edit this now, I will have to create my post here. All right, I want to create my post. So any post I create here, it will automatically appear on the website. Automatically appear on the website. You can see that. Remember, I showed you how to edit this footer. All right, and when you are doing that, there are parts you will have to include some link. All right, like this part that says make a more about us. If I click on this more about us now, I will copy the link of this. Now let me show you. Copy the link of this about us. You can see that. Copy it. Then come here and paste it. All right, copy the link of the about us so that when they click on this now, it will take them to the about us. All right, it's very, very important. Very, very important. All these pictures you are seeing here, you can change it. All right, you can change it. It's very, very important. All right, it's very, very important. All right, I've showed you how to insert the create a sermon and all of those things. Now, let me show you how to edit this slide you are seeing here. Remember when we started, we had to import this from Slider Revolution. All right, for us to also edit this, we have to also go back to Slider Revolution. Okay, to do that, come to your Slider Revolution. You can see it here. Go there and click on open it in a new tab. You can see that there. Good, good. All right, perfect. So these are the images. Just click on this pencil icon. This pencil icon. All right, you edit that. Good. All right, so we are editing. All right, so once you have opened it now, you can see this right up. If you double click on it, you can edit it. All right, you can see God plan is always best. You can change it. You can work on that. All right, then you can see this right up that is here too. You can also change it. All right, you can also change it. All right, good. Just put your, if you don't want it, just click on this and select delete. You can delete it. All right, so select delete. Remember to save. All right, remember to save. Okay, so once you are done with this now, you can see the donate now. You can see contact us. All right, so if I want to insert a link on this now, if I double click on it, all right, good. You can see that. Then you come to action. You can see action here. All right, good. Then come to where you have simple link. Then you will now paste the link of your contact us. All right, look at this, your contact us. I'll copy this link. You can see this link, copy it, right click, copy link address. Then come back to your Stellar Revolution. Then I'll paste the link here. Good. Which means once they click on that, contact us, it will take them straight to the website. All right, the contact us page that is here. Can you see that? And the contact us page that is here. All right, so that is how that particular side works. Okay, now, all right, so good, good. So remember to save as you are working. Remember to save. You can also see this donation part. This donate now. If you click on this donate, all right, you also click on action. Then I will come to my site again. You can see the part that says partner with us. All right, this partner with us, right click on it, copy the link also. Then come back here. All right, this simple link, edit it and paste this link there. All right, good, good. All right, good. Then click on save. All right, so that is how to edit. And remember, this is what, this is just one out of three. If I come here now, you can see the first slide, you can see the second slide, you can see the third slide. It means I will have to work on each of them. I've done the first one, I'll come to the second one too. All right, you can see it too. Right, you can see the write-up that is here, this demo one. I'll also do the same thing. The first thing I did in that first slide, I will also repeat it here and on this one. And also, if I want to change this part here, I can do that. Like I told you before, it's very, very easy. Remember to ensure to use your ChatGPT. I can say generate, right? Generate header, title, and subtitle. Subtitle for me, right? Right. Generate header, title, and subtitle, all right, and subtitle for church website, all right. You can see that a place of hope, all right. Experience God's love, build community, and amazing stuff. So I can copy this now. Can see, you can copy this. I'm just giving you different options to choose, right? So I can come here now, double click on this, right? Then this one, I'll paste it. You can see it. Experience God's love, build community, and grow in faith together, right? I can click on save, right? That is for the first one. I've done the second one too. Then I will now go ahead. Remember, I'll also change the tool link here. I'll also change the tool link, right? Then I'll come back here and also do the but this third one, this third slide. And if you don't want it, you can just come to this icon. This means view, all right? This means delete. This one means duplicate, while this means to edit, right? Good. Now, another thing we are also going to look at here is if you check the website, it's showing my blog, my WordPress blog, all right? And it doesn't make sense to have that. For you to edit it, just come to your dashboard, come to settings, all right? Come to general settings. Oh, sorry, I need to save this. Okay. All right, I need to save that. Good. All right, then let's come back here. Okay, good. I'll come here now. I'll click on general. Right, very, very easy. Click on general. Now you can see where it's showing my blog, my WordPress blog. I can come here, just change this right up to, all right, place of a place of hope, right? Of hope. Okay, good. You can come here. I'll just paste this. All right, so this is what you get instead of showing my blog, my WordPress blog. If you also want to change this icon, you can click on change site icon. All right, then scroll down and click on save changes. All right, so this is how to edit and build a functional church website. Okay, if you enjoyed everything that we have done here and you want to replicate this for your website, for your client, all you need to do is to contact us via the number showing on this particular video, description of this video. This template is going for 50,000 naira. For those of you that need this to design a particular website for your client, is going for 50,000 naira. Just charge the number shown on the description of this video and you have access to it. And if you have this and you're having any challenge regarding this particular designing this website and any other issue, just drop in the comment section of this video and we're glad to help you fix any issue. All right, thank you for staying to the end. Remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you smash that notification bell to always get notified whenever videos like this are posted on this channel. Thank you guys, and see you in our next